Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans. Today I have for you the 2023 Renault Trafic short wheelbase in silver. This one has just 32,000 miles on the clock. And I will just take you around the vehicle now. It comes with 3 cloth lined leather seats, as you will just see now when I open up the passenger door. We have an armrest as well here for maximum comfort for the driver. Now on the steering wheel, what you can find is hands-free cooling, voice assist, the controls for the dashboard, cruise control, air conditioning can be controlled just down here, along with radio, satellite navigation, Bluetooth, connectivity, etc. on the screen. This is a manual 6-speed gearbox, and I will just show you into the load area in the back as well. As you can see, it is interior lit, ply line, cargo rings to tie down any loads you may want to be carrying, and it does come with a pristine, undented, unscratched bulkhead. So just in the previous owner of this did only use it for light loads. And if you'd like to find out more about this Renault Trafic, do feel free to head over to our website anchorvans.co.uk for more details.